Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I am Ursinho BJJ, and we are bringing you something new, something fresh to the channel, a BJJ technique breakdown. On today's video, we are featuring the breakdown of the X pass, one of my favorite passes that I like to do in competition and rolling. And the first half of the video is just going to be breaking down the technique, and then I'm going to splice in some rolling footage where I actually hit it live. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. We're slowing this down so you guys can see what I'm doing while I'm talking about it. So first things first, we're going to strip that grip that he has on my collar. We're going to take our right hand, grab that lapel, take our left hand, hold the leg in place, step back to clear it, and sit and pinch our knees together. Take our left hand, grab the other side of the lapel, so both hands are on the lapel. Take our right arm, pull the arm up, stripping the grip off the pant leg that he has the De La Riva. Grab the outside of the pants with our left hand, step out, and side shuffle our feet into a knee on belly position. So here's another angle. So we're going to strip the grip. Very, very important that you strip that grip so he can't bring your posture down. We're going to make an elbow knee connection right here. As you see it, I'm going to emphasize that elbow knee connection. Then we're going to put our left hand on the leg, step out, step back in, pinch our knees together and sit on the instep, grab the other lapel, reach our hand in, strip the grip for the De La Riva, and then we're going to go back, grab that lapel, grab the outside of the pants, kick out, and slide his leg to the other side, getting the knee on belly position. One more time, last time here. We're going to strip that grip he has on the collar so we can't bend our posture down. Grab the lapel with our right arm, grab the outside of the pant leg, step back, step over, pinch our knees together and sit on the instep, grab the other collar right here to free our right hand, go down, strip the grip that he has on the pant leg, grab the collar one more time, grab the outside of the pant leg, kick our foot out while we force his leg to the opposite side, get the knee on belly position, and that is the X pass. Here's the first attempt. We're going to be in a single leg. We're going to spin around here, tap the other knee, get the single leg takedown, and here's where we slow it down. Look at my right hand. I'm grabbing the lapel. I'm trying to make sure that my feet are in the right position. I'm taking my left hand, grabbing the outside of her pants. She does a good job of stopping me from getting that lapel, but I get my hand on the inside, grab the lapel, and when I'm ready to go, I kick my leg out, and what I didn't do is force the leg to the other side, but that is the X pass right there. X pass number 2. So here I'm going to stand up. I have a good grip on the collar right there, and we're going to slow it down right here. She's got a good grip on my heel, but I'm able to circle step it out. And this is going to be a modification of the X pass right here. She puts her foot in my hip, and what I'm going to do is try to clear that, grab the lapel, and what I'm going to do here, I'm basically clear of both her legs, but what I'm going to do is step out right here, step over right there, and put her legs to the side, step again, and get the pass. So it's a modification of the X pass because she didn't have De La Riva, but the principles still apply. Here is take 3. We're in the X passing position right here. We're going to slow it down. And I've got my right hand on his lapel, and see my left hand is grabbing the outside of his pant leg. When I'm ready, he tries to snake in and grab my foot, so I sit back down. But when I'm ready right here, I'm going to step my leg out, full X pass right there, and try to get my knee in for the knee on belly. But he does a good job of taking his left foot and putting it in my hip. But again, that is the essence of the X pass. If you do this explosively and you do this quickly, it is a very, very dominant pass. And if you don't get the side control or knee on belly position, then you can settle into an over under, as you can see me doing in this segment of the video right here. So I hit the X pass, I didn't get the knee on belly, but I was able to get the over under pass. Here is the last segment right here. She's got a deep De La Riva hook on my left side right here, my right, her left, and I'm going to grab that lapel right there. As soon as I'm going to start shimming my leg right here. As soon as the De La Riva breaks, I kick my foot back and X pass for the pass into side control right here. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the video featuring the BJJ technique breakdown of the X pass. Some things to look out for when you're doing this X pass and you finally free your leg and you're kicking it out. Make sure that the left hand that's grabbing the pants smashes the knee all the way to the mat so you can easily get to the other side for the side control. control. There were a few times where I did the X pass, but I didn't really commit to slamming the leg to the mat on the opposite side, and I wasn't able to connect for the side control position. So just be aware of those things, and I hope you guys like the video. I will be bringing more BJJ technique breakdowns to the channel. So without further ado, let's end the video there. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and that's it. Peace.